Hello everyone, welcome to day 9 of 30 days of Python. In this video, we'll be looking at relational operators in the Python programming language. So what are relational operators? Relational operators are used to test for a relationship between two values. So they are used for comparisons. And what they return is they return a Boolean value. Now, we have 6 relational operators in the Python programming language. The first one is the equals to. Notice that it is different from the single equals to. Equality in Python is denoted by double equals to symbols. The next one is not equals to. The next one is greater than. The next one is less than. The next one is greater than or equals to. The next one is less than or equals to. So the assignment operator will be used to assign a value to x, and it will also be used to assign a value to y. Then we shall execute. So we shall run the 6 relational operators and then wait for the computer to tell us the relationship between the two of them. So the first one, x is equals to y. The answer to that will be false. The next one, x is not equals to y. The answer for that will be true. Next one, x greater than y. The answer to that will be false. Next one, x less than y. The answer to that will be true. The next one, x greater than or equals to y. The answer for that will be false. And then the next one, x less than or equals to y, and the answer for that will be true. So you see how just by knowing what a value is, we can use relational operators to determine whether the relationship between them is positive or negative, true or false. Thank you very much for watching.